Now it's time for my favorite segment, Drift Into. And John has drifted into Safe Harbor, Fiddler's Cove Marina in Falmouth, Massachusetts.
Safe Harbor Fiddler's Cove General Manager Scott Carpenter highlights the dynamic nature of careers in the industry.
The careers are changing. A while back, a marine technician wasn't really highly sought after or desired position. Now it's a well-paying job that you can make a career at and advance through the ranks.
Roles like marine technician are now in high demand, offering both desirable and lucrative opportunities. Scott's own career trajectory exemplifies this evolution, and he transitioned from marine technician to the position of general manager.
There's always growth, and in my case, I'll be attending a certified marina manager's course. And when I'm done, I will be considered a certified marina manager.
Lauren Walsh, the general manager of Safe Harbor, Plymouth, Massachusetts, emphasizes that there's an opportunity for every skill set with the Safe Harbor team.
Many people might think that you need to be a mechanic or a boater to get into the boating business and into safe harbors, but really that's not the case. Mechanics, technicians, accountants, member specialist people. So Safe Harbor is ever growing, and it's very exciting to be part of this team.
Oh yeah. Sonny Wilkinson is mastering the trade as a skilled marine technician, seizing the opportunity for both basic and advanced training in the latest marine technology.
Safe Harbor has supplied me with the opportunity to get all the certifications, so I'm fully MERC outboard certified, inboard certified, and the new V12 certifications. And I'm currently going for my Yamaha certifications. And eventually I hope to get diesels. Now I get to fix stuff, which is fun. I get to see my work actually show when it runs right. I get to play with a lot of cool boats and drive them around, and I meet a lot of interesting people, different yards.
And his advancement in Sonny's future?
So it could be general manager for you one day.
I'm hoping so, or maybe higher.
The training, advancement opportunities, and benefits at Safe Harbor have proven to be key factors in fostering a safe and family-like work environment for their team members.
Safe Harbor sends me to all these Mercury classes, and all my technical abilities can be applied at them. Yeah, so getting my education paid for by the company is great. It's no money out of my pocket. They pay for transportation, hotel, food, everything. So it's kind of a mini vacation in a way,
I work in the yard. I'm the forklift driver. This is my first time working outside, near the water. I love it. I see myself spending my future here in Safe Harbor.
What's great about Safe Harbors is how well they invest in their employees and the benefits that come along with working with this company. It's probably one of the, if not the best in the industry.
It's hard to find a job where you enjoy coming to work every day, but I found it, so.
Have you always wanted to work by the water, in and around boats? Well, Safe Harbor Marinas can provide that exciting opportunity.